Hi, in today's video you're going to learn about how to purchase a domain and hosting from Hostinger. Let's get started. If you're watching this video on YouTube, scroll down, click the first link in the description. You'll be redirected to this page. Before we continue, let us understand what is a domain and hosting. A domain is nothing but a name for your website. Example, Amazon.com, Flipkart.com and etc. Earlier times, the website were called with the IP address as 192.168.111, etc. But technology has made it simple with the help of words. Now, let's see what is hosting. A hosting is a house or a place where a website lives. It is a place where a website lives and stores its belongings. The belonging means the pages which you create, like home page, contact page or any other description whichever you give. These things will be stored in hosting. And we have shortlisted the best hosting service providers from the internet, and they are listed here. We have shortlisted them based on the packages, the prices and the customer support. HostGator provides 3 or 6 month and 1 year plus packages. They have the best customer support system. Their support system is 24 hours a day, and no matter you have a small doubt or a big doubt, they will clarify you in a very polite manner. And the services are based on the text message as well as the call system. You will have a toll-free number in their website and you can call them to clarify your doubts. Now the next one is Hostinger. Their support system is based on email. You cannot call them. And their packages starts from 1 year plus packages, and they don't provide you monthly packages. If you're going to buy domain and hosting for more than 1 year, you can prefer Hostinger. And the same is for Bluehost also. They also provide you 1 year plus packages. I have also made videos for other service providers such as HostGator, Hostinger and Bluehost. Since this video is about Hostinger, click on the Hostinger button. You'll be redirected to this area. This is the same video which you are watching right now. Now follow the same steps as mentioned in this video. Click the visit site icon. You'll be redirected to the Hostinger website. Now scroll down. Below you can see two options: Best Web Hosting and WordPress Hosting India. Choose the default one, Best Web Hosting, and below that you will see three options: Single Web Hosting, Premium Web Hosting and Business Web Hosting. So what is Single Web Hosting? In this case you will have one website with 30 GB SSD storage and one email account and few other options as well. Whereas here Premium account you will have 100 websites, 100 GB storage and SSD storage. The same is for business website also, but they provide extra storage with extra monthly visits. Since you are a beginner, go to the first option, Single Web Hosting. Click Add to Cart. Once done, you will be redirected to this page. Here if you see, for hosting there are different monthly packages, 1 month, 12 month and plus. If you are a beginner, please go for 12 month only. Never go for 1 month packages. Even if you are creating this for a trial purpose or for a learning purpose, please go for 12 months, because there are two reasons. The first reason is the 1 month package is absolutely not enough for learning or training purpose, whatever, it is not enough. The second reason is Hostinger will provide you a great discount on the first purchase, so use it efficiently for 12 month packages. But here in this video I am going to click 1 month only, because I am making this video just for teach you guys how to purchase domain and hosting. I am not going to use this website or hosting for my personal purpose. This is just for a video purpose. So I am going to click 1 month, but you guys please go for 12 months or more than that. Don't click any of these options. I'll teach you how to do it later. And in this box type the domain name you need. Here in this case I am going to type Aish Designer Tiles, and now click search. Once done, you will find many options like this for your domain name. Here I get .in, .online, .com, .xyz, etc. So I'm going to choose .com. Click Add to Cart. Now click Continue to Cart. This will add the price to your hosting package. So if you see, the total amount has now raised up. Click Checkout now. Now just create an account if you are new to this. Enter your name, email and password. I'm gonna skip these steps. Once done, you'll be redirected to this page. In this you'll find all types of payment with debit card, PayPal, UPI, Google Pay, Paytm, etc. I'm gonna give debit card. Now fill in your details here of your card number. I'm gonna skip this step for safety and security reasons. Once done, click Pay Now. You'll be redirected to this page. Once done, you'll find this message, hello, with your domain name. So click Start Now and enter your details here. Why I'm creating my website, myself or for a client or etc. Remember, this is not compulsory, this is optional. You can also skip it off if you don't like, but I'm gonna click these options. Once done, you'll be redirected to another page where you will see these options, create a website. But below this you will see one more option called choose other options. Please select that. Now you will see this option like WordPress. WordPress is the platform where you are going to design or create your website. So click that and create a strong password here. Once done, click continue. Now this is the plugins page. Please don't select any theme or plugin here. Go and skip this process. Once done, now you will see this option where you have to choose your domain. Click select if your domain is correct. And once done, you will be redirected to this page where you have to register yourself. So give your country name, your name, address or other stuff, whatever it asks, and click register now. I'm going to skip this process for security reasons. Once registered, you will be redirected to this page where it asks for the final step. Please cross check all the details are correct or not. Here it shows the location is America, but I am in India, so I'm going to search for India. But this is not available, so I'm going to click Asia. Now click select, and after cross checking, please click on finish setup. Now the WordPress software is being installed in your hosting. Remember, WordPress is the platform where you're gonna create or design your website. Right now, once you have purchased the domain and hosting, you will be getting a default website, but you have to create and design as per your creativity level, and that can be done in WordPress. In my upcoming videos, I'm gonna teach you how to create and design your own website in WordPress. So if you're watching this video in YouTube, kindly subscribe our channel and hit the bell button. Or else visit our website digibob.in and you can find all the classes for digital marketing. Once done, you will be seeing this page where it shows WordPress dashboard and control panel. WordPress dashboard is the platform you will create a website, and the control panel, which is the C panel, is this platform where you can take your backup or upload your backup from other website or your own website or other technical details which are involved in this C panel only. But to create or design a website, you have to go to WordPress dashboard. So select manage WordPress. And once done, you will be seeing this page. Please don't click the let's get started. Just go down and click go back to dashboard. Now you will see the WordPress dashboard. This is how it looks. As I said earlier, this is the platform where you will be creating or designing your own website. So if you need to know how your default website looks, just go to the top left corner on your domain name, click visit site, open a new tab. This is the default website which you have right now, and from this step onwards you have to create and design your own website, and that is done with the help of WordPress. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to teach you how to do that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.